Mema obibia akaba mechia too much atiefo nyina so mema obibia afishia pa afisa se na nyakopon ayeye nyina yakoma so ade ede amayen abusuafo se de da ne da moteno no gano wahala dwumadie ena nso mu nua ba akwasi kapa maji medwa mabone bede ede ebesom ene enso na ensem ababeto mapono so abusuafo se mo amunim ye nua ba Obaapa Christy I Christian I love as I say was your Obaapa Christy na anu ye 2 weeks ago ya wode na warrior foforo ehhehhe so say de wono do so want say odogo bi enu aba wode nsem bi ababatu edwa na abusuafo esewanim ensese ye ka edecho come ho ne yembonra nsem no emu Obaapa Christy Tease critics of her new marriage with some wicked dance move when and some ababeto a pronoso say yamunim nua award winning yi wono de Ghana for no be anim say waware pastor love enumu ensensem ebeto to dwane ayi achese omuhuru wo mo entuma gofin wa bontin nyina achi no ye na watchu mienu atwa mu na chese ebeto ejo se eye Obaapa Christy ne kunu foforo se wanya no eye na yaw Frank no wo ne oba foforo bi achese wo no so ma ware e wo Hamburg na abaye yakwakwa gini kunu aboso asese wode na baga na wababaye ne ho adem eno ma chese Ghana fo bebre akasa de afa ho se na Obaapa Christy se sapan de ne wanya de we entweye so wutimi kokogji wo bi kunu pan de ene entweye kwakwa enkofo de wo mo nsem ba bebre wo mo ma bebe kasa ye pastor love kwampo babonten bebe kasa ye fa like eno mo ne abaya na kom ani nyina mu no wanhunu mu apapa bia wode aboa oba na hu mo papa bia ode aboa no na ni nyina mu no wayi ne boni ayem wo be keka ni nyina ewo abonten na say abaya na se wo no de ayekun ayeno ayesa eye Ghana for maka bia eye mo nkama no ntum enti ene ejai eye nanyum ya wode ababonti wode beto edwa ene asabo na pa jai wasabi ye papa ena chese wode ayi kokoto ya social media about fonten time so they trust say happiness is free still wajeme wasuame ashiwo when as much as abaya ne de video was san ekokoto ho no wode elto asechemu say wono de want say wodogo bi enu abe mo na manya nsem ena mo ka wono wanya na ware papa bi ena wakọ ase enti se mo be sore na mo be ka ho asem dia ono de wonfa wo bia ehu na abusuafo meja mo no mahwemfonya etwa egoi na nkwa yesa say yesi an mo fam ani nso ehunu bi say too much de ye kan ye yo an yo abusuafo se mo awe de mo amani tua sa abaye yi ohun ogina ho no mo se ne wo ye ne nsa se yase wo du obi atem ase wo huru obi mo amunim na twetwi ye wo ne sui an ena chese wodi egu edwa no na eno ama ye nuanu binum de wona dwenkyere ba ka se Christian I love say yam papa se wo bi kunu pa na waje pa na wo sade mfonyi we ya wo sa atwo sansem we wa se pa de ne na wanya de kwakwa wagu gospel musicians so efin papa because na mo de nke ye bumu enim se mo de mo se an mo to gospel ntinka mo de mo ye de nyankopon pe na se wutimi chinchim obi nsa ejini kunu free ne nsɛmpa de ane na wanye ade we ama yenua Joshua ede wodi eba you say the pastor who blessed this marriage does not know Bible and don't deserve to be called a pastor. Rosemary ede wodi eba you say your time will come very soon. Obaapa Christy, Jenua Adam Benson, Edia Wade Eba, or say, hey, shameless being. So you don't even have shame. You have the guts to come out with this song just to tease the people who are criticizing you. Shameful being. And also so Edia, and no, Offsan, Edia Wade Eba, yeah, or say, most Ghanaian women never go for a village girl and bring her to the city to polish up. This is what happens when she grows ring. Lesson learned. On also so idea and on was a way a dissuade dear pa mama must so my imagine some person warrior. And you for baby and a year and 4 bar betting your warino. More quiet, I may probably inform. No, I quite cross and no quack 4 bar. Now the number crocussim. No, Baba and a shepherd one and it's here. I or Quasia when and it's here now grow a good. And to one dominitia. Said dear anomaton so man home won and so wono. San or almost so at the Andrew a bedroom brebino. Now when you are abebe not for bet now console into when you are this idea and farmer and memma or also so at the day a buyer and no. Yen you have been in the and come who say Obaapa, you have no remembrance. Your life is short. Yen Richard at our day ever or say ma'am. Happy marriage. Enjoy your marriage. Don't mind anyone. It's paying them. That's why they are talking. On also so Eddie no was there. Me mame, me feel biao. Eya wawari na wako. Ma wani njuom. Eya wamo ya. Enunti ena wamo ekika sansam no nyina. Inti me feel wam koswa na koko wanim. Yenya movement. Eddie awade eba ya or say. If these rumors are really true, then this woman is very, very heartless. You are capital disgrace to Ghanaians gospel musician. On also so agent shower dim eba ye no ebusia for also for agent share ebra too much GH subscribe na share for more ebusia for all the social media platform na for agent share no so eto so na emre pamuno beji mejo amuni aba ekuya sika pa making kan ede amamo dasene ye besane share makramo.